Yeah, right guys? I think it's a penis. Alright, on our way to the palace. It's a nice park here.
Konnichiwa. It's closed today. Palace is not open today.
Oh, it's closed?
Yep.
Oh.
After tomorrow from is 8 o'clock in the morning. 8.
Oh, okay, okay.
You look into outside, you look outside and take the photo.
Okay.
You look into outside.
Huh?
You look outside, check the photo.
Oh, okay, yeah. We'll probably go to the park. Yeah. It's closed.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Why? It's not your fault. You didn't close it.
Did you bring your receipts and shit?
You like so you have the eat here?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my God.
We got it.
So you come from you come from
Where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines, from Japan,
Oh no, it's American.
from America.
Yeah, Korean.
You leave the pony they say. Oh,
Korean.
You like this from the bed. The Phnom is open like this.
Yeah.
Phnom. This is like this is Phnom is open. Show you that this.
Oh yeah, we went there yesterday.
You here?
Yeah.
Outside here, right here.
No, we didn't go
Where's
there.
Yeah.
Monkey Temple?
Yeah, the monkey
Where?
is there. Here.
Oh, there.
It's not far. It's like here, from here, this is the true play here. Yes, it's still island. You know the monkey temple. You like see the monkey. You saw the monkey is so good. Yeah, it's good, the monkey. Yeah. You spend I show you and here around here. The tuk I check around here. This one.
We're okay today.
Yeah,
Thank you though. Thank you. We're okay. Are they eating it?
I think so. Yeah. This is a park and it is closed
Yeah,
today?
this is closed today. The Buddhist day, the temple.
Oh.
Buddhist temple
Oh.
is not open today.
Oh.
Tomorrow.
Oh.
Tomorrow from 8 o'clock in the morning.
Oh. Just before I leave, it's open. They didn't have a lot of sodas, but they had a lot of energy drinks.
Back here.
Where did we go? Oh, they're following.
Okay. So you're not gonna, you don't quit the sugary drinks, right?
But it's sugar cane. Not sugary, it's just the flavor of it.
Yeah.
Okay, I will lose weight anyway.
Huh?
I will lose weight.
Yeah.
Oh, that guy.
No, thank you. No, thank you. Here goes the museum. It's $10. $10.
These are extra cards.
Oh, okay. Can I get 2 tickets?
I'll take it back.
Huh?
I'll take it back.
Oh, okay. You save it for the pizza.
Okay. For you too. I'll pay. I'll pay for dinner.
Okay. And cost $10 to get in here. It's a bit steep. Hope it's worth it. I hope it's worth the $10. It's a lot of money.
It's okay. I'll pay you back for dinner. It's gonna be worth it still.
Maybe worth it. Monkeys. It's a field trip day today. Field trip for the students.
Yeah. Your school had a field trip and it was at the mall.
Yeah. You wanna check it out or what?
I want to take a picture, but there's so many people later now. Let's go.
Yeah. Hello.
Asu, reading inside the inside check your head.
So good, right? Sorry, I almost finished it all.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, cool. I've never been here before. Wow. Throne. Buddha.
This one?
Yeah, this is
The
the world's longest hand-woven scarf.
Believe Khmer Khan.
Huh?
The spirit of believe Khmer Khan.
2018.
Yeah.
They make it look like it's from a long time ago. And it's like not. Yeah, look how long that shit is.
Yeah. It's all inside there. Amazing. Oh, Ramayana. We have Ramayana too.
That's what I said. You didn't hear me?
Yeah. You said it's a Hindu story.
It is a Hindu story. It straight up says it right here, a Hindu story.
Yeah, it's the Khmer version. We have our own version too in Mindanao.
Hindu? You guys are Hindu?
No, I feel like a lot of the tribes before they converted to Islam were heavily
Hindu?
influenced by Hinduism too, because
Yeah.
the signs are the same so much,
Ramayana, yeah, that's a Hindu
Yeah.
thing.
and the story is so the same.
A statue of Hanuman here. As a 18th to 19th century. Everything we saw is like less than 100 years old.
What?
Everything we saw is less than 100 years old. It's not ancient. It's like modern stuff. You can look it up. Yeah, right guys? I think it's a penis. I've seen a celebration where they pour milk on top of it to represent a sperm or something. I think like a fertility
stone?
Yeah.
People touch it to get pregnant.
Yeah. Really. Yeah. That's what they do. And they'll pour milk on it. That's like a sacrifice. It's a nice garden here. Nice fountain. So that theme of like the snakes is very common here. It seems like. I think it's like a protector. They always have it near the food dogs in front of buildings and stuff. But yeah, like the multi-headed serpent. It's like a very common theme here. There go the food dogs right there. But it's different from the Chinese one. I think the Chinese one of them has like a kid. It's supposed to be the mom and dad. And then their nipple is in their paw. And they feed their baby like that. Yeah. Yeah.
Smothering them. No smother, I'm feeding them.
Yeah. But yeah, this one doesn't have it. Alright, you wanna look around? Huh? It's Buddha. Yeah, man, I love how ornate the Cambodian architecture is. Beautiful.